If your clothes are smelling mildewy, try machine washing them with 1 cup, 240 milliliters of white vinegar instead of detergent. The vinegar will kill odor causing bacteria. Alternatively, you can machine wash your clothes with 1/2 cup or 115 grams of baking soda. This will also kill any bacteria causing a mildew smell. For stubborn smells, try adding oxygen bleach to the wash with your clothes. Besides washing your clothes, you can also try drying them outside in the sun. You can also try placing them in the freezer in a plastic bag overnight, or spritzing them with vodka and letting them air dry, all of which will kill any bacteria on them. To prevent future mildew smells, always hang damp clothes up right away. And remember not to leave wet clothes in the washing machine for too long.